Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest, my husband. For all of you guys who don't know, this is my husband. His name is Kunal, and he's also my DOP, my videographer. And today I'm gonna challenge him to do my makeup. Yay! Who's excited? I have asked him to create a look. I have given him the look. Let me show you guys what the look is. This is the look. Let's see what he comes up with and how close it is to the actual look picture that I showed him. And babe, I was thinking it'll be fun if you could answer some questions while you were doing my makeup. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Like
great.
we could do a husband tag or whatever.
I would just like to put in a disclaimer right here.
Go for it.
I am not that great with mixing colors in life in general. For
Oh.
me, every color is red, black, or blue, right? So,
What about green?
green is also green. But what I'm trying to say is, although you guys might not think that the look has hit and it has missed, but for me, it must already have hit the mark. So it's right in my head before I've even started it. Yeah.
Okay, now that a long ass disclaimer is done, why don't you start with the makeup and I'll ask you questions while you're doing. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
So, what is the first step?
Applying this.
What is that?
That is a neutral eye base or base U from Kiko Milano.
Yeah, I know what the product says, but what are you going to use it for?
Akshara. It is eye base. I'm going to use it for your eyes.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you the first. Tell me the first impression you had of me.
I'm just going to take a pump of this.
Not a pump, but yeah, okay. Bas, that's a lot.
Put some on my eyes too.
Okay.
The first thing that you gotta trust me, you gotta close your eyes.
I am closing my eyes. Where are you putting it?
I have big fingers.
No, you have to put it on top of my eyes, not underneath my eyes.
I was trying to reach for the top of your eyes only, Akshara.
Okay,
It
sure.
was a test you lost.
Okay. Yeah, so tell me what was the first impression you had about me?
The first impression that I ever had about you was it's a shocker. I think most people have that impression, is that you're very shy and reserved.
That's not true.
And yeah.
I don't think anybody would describe me as shy or reserved.
I just did. It's just the eyes right now, and I'm so
Are you
scared.
sweating?
Keep your eyes closed, you'll never know.
My eyes are closed only. Go a little harder. Okay, let me take on another question. Is the eye primer done?
Oh, yeah, it's done.
Okay.
It's done.
What do you want to do next?
I'm going to use this, and
You can
in
open
that,
and show how the colors look
I'm
like.
going to use.
You want to see the reference image?
No, I know. I spent.
Oh,
quite
do you? Oh, do you know?
Yeah.
This is your reference image.
Yeah, I know. Because why, from an array of these beautiful colors, why would you simply choose one? You would love to mix it up.
Why are you shouting? Calm down. When did you know I was the one? Kunal.
Okay.
Multitask, buddy. Multitask. Do you want to see the image?
No. I know the image, guys. I know
See
the
her.
image. Yeah. Wow.
Just go for it.
Okay.
Go for it, queen.
You are telling me to go for it, so.
I also don't have a mirror, so I don't know what he's doing.
I'm doing beautifully.
I'm gonna know how
I'm
the
a
look turns
swan.
out after we're done, and when I'm editing this video. So that's gonna be fun.
When I knew you were the one when. So you went for a beer, right?
Yeah. You don't have to whisper that. We went for a beer and then what?
And she kind of ditched me on. She like left me high and dry on the first date. She's like, let's take a rain check on that date. I have some things to do on a Thursday. What do you have to do on a Thursday?
I don't know, some of us worked for a
Close your
living.
eyes. You were an intern.
So-
I used to work for a living.
Anyway, you tell me when. You're not answering the question.
I knew it. I just wanted to spend more time with her. I didn't know she'd be into getting a cup of coffee after beer and fries. And she said yes, and I knew there and then.
That this weirdo
Yeah, that this beautiful woman is the
Weirdo.
one.
is the one. Okay, this is fun. Who was the first person you told about?
I think the first person I told was
Your mummy.
my sister and my brother-in-law and my mom.
Okay. So basically, you told your whole family except your father.
No, my father already knew. If I put it on
What do
the
you
group,
mean by already knew?
like if I put it on the group, and my father.
So you put it on WhatsApp, on a WhatsApp group that you're dating a chick. You're done with ice?
I'm guessing.
Yeah, totally.
So ever since I've been a small child, when I started dating, I mean, you might not see it, but I'm a little old, so I've seen life.
You're like a year older than me.
Too.
2 years older than me.
But yeah, my dad always knew about my dating life. He knew I was dating
Okay,
someone.
fine. You answered that question. Anyway, what did your friends say about me when you told them? Or like your roommate knew about us,
Yeah.
right? So what did he think about us? What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna use this foundation by MAC.
This is the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation.
My friends basically, my roommate basically said that you do you, man.
That's not.
He said that, look, this is a crucial point in her career as well as yours. And then he said that don't waste her time or your time. And if you're in this, then make sure that you're in it to win it.
And what are you winning?
I won you and your heart and this fabulous
Aw.
chance to
Do my makeup.
or spoil your face with makeup.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Look
Are
at
we-
those beautiful cheeks.
Are we? Do you think that we are soulmates?
One second. I'm answering that. 1 second. I don't really understand the concept of soulmates, but I do believe that
If you want to take some more, you can take some more.
we're perfect for each other,
Okay.
right? I mean, if that counts as soulmates,
Yeah. I don't know. I don't believe in soulmates. I think two people work very hard at their relationships to be together. Oh, this is fun. Did you get cold feet before the wedding?
what do you think?
I don't think you got cold feet. I think you were too tired and too caught up in all the rituals and all the traditions that you didn't have time to think about.
Not cold feet per se, but there was this one moment where I kind of like 4 days before my marriage, I realized so this is one of the reasons why I was working till
For the
this
wedding,
is
right?
because I was kind of nervous
Yeah.
about
So he
us.
was working until the
2 days or 3
yeah,
days
2
before.
days before the wedding.
Yeah.
And I was like super mad and pissed at him that he's working so much and he's like, and I wanted him to like relax
And nobody in my office asked me to work. Here's the fun part. Nobody asked me. They were all like,
no one, like I didn't ask him to work, his family didn't want him to work, his office didn't want, his work colleagues didn't want him to work. It was just Mr. Shahani being Mr. Shahani, wanting to get
Mr.
away.
Shani requests you to look over here.
Wanting, like he wanted to be away from all the family drama, that he's like, I'll rather go sit in office.
The only reason I started, like, I took an off was because one of my best friends from college came and I didn't want
And
to
he
be
came
that,
from far. He came from Delhi or something, right?
yeah, and I didn't want to be that guy who's like working and not talking to his friends. So what's
Okay.
this? This sounds interesting. What's this?
That's a concealer.
So I just jumped the gun, right? I shouldn't have applied the
Yeah.
foundation.
Yeah. It's okay. Oh, you can. That's okay.
Judging by her face, I've applied either too less or too much, and I don't think her. Okay.
Okay. Do you like my cooking?
Yeah, I love her cooking.
Who do you think cooks better?
Me.
Okay.
Just kidding. It's. I mean, so. Oh. You gotta just.
I'm not okay. Okay.
Just please just look
Yeah,
up,
yeah,
please.
okay.
You just made me spoil the work that I had done on the upper eyebrows.
Upper eyebrows are.
Upper. You guys get it.
No, they don't.
On this part of the
Eyelid.
lid.
Okay. What do we argue about the most?
God, this is so scary.
What do we argue about the most?
It's mostly about stuff like food that we argue about. Food or curtains, guys. We have
Yeah.
our priorities sorted.
Yeah. What does your family think about me? Oh my
Working
god.
with whatever I can.
What do you mean working? I've given you literally the best of the things.
Talk about you. You're not appreciative of my efforts over here.
This is the reference picture, by the way.
You see, she has some of that thing under her eye, okay?
Sure, some of the thing. Yeah.
Just let me work my magic, okay?
Yeah,
after
sure.
this, after this you'll directly watch me in New York Fashion Week or something like that. So. Oh yeah, by the way, sorry, I used the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio. It's
Okay.
right, and I did. See that tap.
That technique.
Gotta smile so that I can. Gotta teach you stuff, man. You forgot about that.
Yeah, what does your family think about me?
A little too late to ask that. We're already married. My family is proud of me that I finally smile so that my family is proud of me that I finally found someone in my life.
Who is as crazy as you, if not?
Who's
That look right there.
and my family is very happy that I found someone who
Lets you do all these crazy things to me.
who allows me to explore the full capability of my creative nature. Yeah, we'll need this. We are going to use a butter bronzer by
Physicians
Formula. I would like to meet this physician and know what his formula is. Can you
Okay,
guys see
yeah.
it?
Who is the more romantic person?
Guys, I mean girls. Oh,
And guys, both.
By now you know who's more romantic.
Me.
That's right, me.
Me.
I'm more romantic.
I'm more romantic. You want me to smile?
Yeah. Smiling through pain. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my god, Kunal. Oh fuck.
Upside, the movie Joker has a new female. I'm just
No,
kidding.
I'm not interested in being in the Joker unless I'm playing Harley Quinn.
You gotta smile.
Represent.
Not white
Okay,
man.
who is the more angrier person? That's me, clearly. Right? No?
I hope I'm doing
Who's the-
something.
Who's the funny one, Kunal?
You see how funny I am. You see how beautiful I made her face. So you guys know how funny I am. She did her eyes too, and I gotta do this for your eyes. But I'm very scared.
Please
So
don't poke me. Please don't stab me in the eye. Yeah.
close your eyes. Is something happening? I hope something's happening.
Sure, something's definitely happening.
The sound of your followers pitying you right now.
I have only 5, don't worry.
She lies. She has more.
Did you get mascara over here?
No,
There is a black spot. I know.
there is no.
I know there is a black spot here.
There is no black spot.
In a marriage, what is the most non-negotiable thing?
Who sleeps on which side of the bed?
Can you be
Close your-
serious about one thing?
Okay, close your eyes. I'll tell you. Honesty and loyalty, right? They're the most non-negotiable things in a marriage. Can you just do that eye, please? It's very scary because I don't want to get your makeup
I
spoiled.
can't
also.
even like see myself in the mirror.
Oh,
so-
trust me. I mean, you've had enough practice. You'll be able to do it in your sleep.
Why would I want to put mascara in my sleep?
It's a figure of speech, baby.
Okay. Okay, what is the best gift I have given you?
The best gift that you've ever given me is your love and companionship.
Okay.
And also, she's
Okay.
given me an iPhone. So,
What is your favorite thing to do while spending time together?
not do makeup for you. That's very stressful. I don't know how you do
Oh
it.
my god, oh my god.
Did I do it wrong? I guess I did. Wait, how? Where? Let's not do the other eye.
Oh, what the fuck? I've done one eye. What the hell? I've done one eye. I have to do the other one.
I'm scared. I'm just giving you winged eyes.
Oh my god, okay.
I'm not very good with my left hand, so it might come out like a demon's wing.
Why are you using your left hand? You could use the right hand on the other eye, no?
I'm not. Position is not comfortable.
Okay,
but
let me try. Yeah.
It's done
It's
now.
done?
It's done. Nothing can help whatever's happened right now. Oh, that's what's missing.
Sure. That's what's missing. Yes.
Yeah, from this, the color bar. Oh, it's magnetized. Oh, wow. I'm using the color bar.
It's written over here.
Yeah, I know. I was just showing I'm using this, guys. It's the Color Bar Matte Illusion Blush in the shade Fallen Leaves. And
Wow.
it's formulated in Italy.
Who was the first one to say I love you?
I was the first one to say I love you too, though.
Okay.
She was the first one to say I love you.
Who is the more punctual amongst us both?
It's not even a question. It's her.
Kunal has this habit where if you tell him to get ready at a particular at a particular time, he gets ready 2 hours after that. So
It was
that's
just
his-
one
that's
time on our
his-
Sangeet.
That's so our Sangeet was supposed to start at 5:30, and the bride is ready, me, from like 4:30, and our groom decides to arrive at 7:30. Finally, you're applying lipstick and
Putting
let's
this
get it over with, please.
Nykaa Athleisure lipstick.
Guys, this is so funny.
You gotta take some over here, and yeah, okay. I mean, the amount of crap that I've done, little lipstick outside, would not feel that bad.
You're done?
I'm so sorry. You are great with eye makeup, and
Are you done?
yes, I'm done.
What the What the fuck? the face doesn't look too bad. Like the cheeks are like, oh my god, what have we done to the eyes? You didn't do my eyebrows, but that's okay.
You want me to do your eyebrows after this? You want me to
No.
touch your eyes after this?
And the lower lash is not as bad as I thought. It's okay. Oh my god. Anyway, if you wish to scare someone at night, please show them this picture. I think it'll be the perfect scare tactic to play a prank. And thank you so much, Kunal, for being
destroying
on
your
my
makeup.
channel. For being on my channel and
Okay.
for putting yourself through this stressful situation and for doing my makeup. I really appreciate it and I love you.
And I love you too.
Sure.
And
Shows how much love you have for me. Shown on my face. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to see more such wonderful makeup looks. And show some love to my husband and give it a big old thumbs up. And go check out my previous videos and see Kunal's comments and give it a big like because there is a small fan club forming for Kunal and his comments. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye.